SIP has been one of the most favorite investment vehicles to invest in mutual funds for Indian investors. More than 9,000 crore per month is invested in mutual funds through SIPs. So this has been one of the most popular mode of investments for Indian investors, and in this video I am going to discuss with you if you are a mutual fund distributor or if you are aspiring to be a mutual fund distributor, how much you can earn if you have 1 lakh rupees monthly SIPs in various mutual fund schemes. Hello everyone, I am Shobhit. I am FinBiz Growth Expert and founder of FinBiz Growth Club, and today we are going to discuss how much you can earn through SIPs. So to understand that, first let's understand how you are going to be compensated if you are a mutual fund distributor. So if you are a mutual fund distributor, how you are going to get commission? आपको कितना कमीशन आएगा, किस बेसिस पे आएगा, उसको पहले समझते हैं. So in mutual funds, the mutual fund distributors are paid according to the concept which is called trail commission. It is unlike any other financial product distribution. And let's understand first what the trail concept means. Now, trail concept means that whenever you are advising your client and your client is going to invest money, you are going to be compensated for all the time period the money has been invested. Suppose you have advised your client and your client has invested in a scheme and that investment is being there for say 10 years, you are going to be paid commission for the next 10 years. That's not all. You are going to be paid commission on the market value and not on the investment value. So अगर आपको ये concept समझ में नहीं आया तो let me give you a simple example. Through one example, it will make more sense to you. So let's understand with an example which I'm going to show you, where you have advised your client to invest 10 lakh rupees and on that you are going to receive only 0.70% commission. It means not even 1% on that investment which you have mobilized from your client, you are going to receive 70 paisa commission. So if you are going to get 70 paisa commission, how much you can earn? Let's see that. So here if you look at the chart, I have created a table where you have advised your client and your client has invested 10 lakhs and I'm assuming that those investments are keep on growing at the rate of 12%. Now in the first year you are going to receive commission of 7,000 rupees. Why? Because on 10 lakh rupees 0.70 is 7,000 rupees. Now the magic starts, as I told you, you are going to receive commission on the market value on every year till the money has been invested. So in the second year, the money which has been invested by your client has grown to 11 lakhs 20,000 rupees. Now your commission will become 7,840 rupees. Why? Because the value of the money has grown by 12%. We are assuming a growth rate of 12%. So as the money will keep on growing, the commission for you will also keep on growing. Now these commissions I have calculated on an annual basis, but the mutual fund distributors are going to receive commission on the monthly basis. So 7,000 divided by 12, that much we are going to receive on monthly basis. Now, as I told you, you are going to receive commission on the market value and not on the investment value. So here, as the market value of the investment will grow, your commission will also grow. And since commission are paid on a monthly basis, monthly fluctuation in the portfolio value will also have an implication on the money or commission which you are going to receive as a distributor. So just imagine in the first year you have advised your client and he has put 10 lakh rupees and that money is been kept or invested for the next 10 years. For your first year effort, you are going to receive commission for the next 10 years. But the beauty is you are going to receive commission which will keep on growing as the investors' money will keep on growing. Now just compare this with any other financial product you might have been distributing. Say insurance. Suppose you are an insurance advisor, you are going to receive commission on the premium check which you are submitting to the insurance company. That too one time, whether that money is with the investor or with the insurance company for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, you are not going to be getting any additional benefit, and that too on the check value. But in the mutual fund, even with this 0.70 rate, you are going to receive much higher commission than your insurance product. I have done a video. I'm going to share the link. Please go through that video to understand you can earn much more commission in mutual fund products compared to your insurance, even though the rate of commission in insurance are much higher. Purely because of the reason, because in mutual funds you guys are going to receive commission on the market value. So if this excites you, want to dive more into details of how the mutual fund distribution works, I would recommend you to join my 90 minutes masterclass. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you how you can become a successful mutual fund distributor in 21 days or less. This is a business where you don't require huge capital, but you can have unlimited earning potential. Only 2.5% of Indian population today is investing in mutual funds. So if you want to grab this opportunity, do join in the masterclass. I am going to leave the link in the description. Now let's come back. Now suppose you want to understand, if you are mobilizing 1 lakh rupees per month SIP from your client, how much commission you as a mutual fund distributor is going to get. So let's see that. I am going to give you a simple example to make you understand how this works, and I hope it is going to get clarity as how much you can earn. So just look at this slide. Here I am assuming that on the first month you are having a 1 lakh rupees investments. Okay, so you are having 1 lakh rupees of investment per month SIP from your client. Okay, and I'm assuming that the investment is going to grow by 12% per year. Now I have taken the same commission rate of 70 paisa. If you take the same rate of 70 paisa in the first month, you are going to receive commission of 58 rupees. How we have got this 58 rupees? On 1 lakh, you are going to receive in a year commission of 700 rupees. 700 rupees divided by 12, that is the money which you are going to receive in your first month. Now in the second month, just look at this. In the second month, what SIP which you have done, again the 1 lakh more will come from the effort which you have put in first month. Second year also, client is going to pay of SIP amount, and the total value now will become 1 lakh of the first month and 1 lakh of the second month. So the total investment जो है वो 2 lakh का है, and 1000 rupees is the appreciation or the growth in the investment which has happened. So now you are going to receive commission on 2,01,000 rupees in the second month, which is going to be 117 rupees 25 paisa. Same way every month as the SIP will keep on coming from the client, your value of the asset which you have advised will keep on growing. पहले महीने आपको 1 लाख रुपए पे कमीशन आया, दूसरे महीने में आपको जो कमीशन आया वो आया आपका 2 लाख रुपए प्लस जो एप्रिसिएशन हुआ उस पे, तीसरे महीने जो आपको कमीशन आया वो 3,03,000 रुपए आया. हर महीने जो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट जैसे जैसे बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे आपका जो कमीशन है वो भी बढ़ रहा है. सो अगर आप पूरे 12 महीने का कमीशन ऐड करेंगे, इट इज गोइंग टू बी 4,721 रुपीज. Now this is the commission for the first year if you have done 1 lakh rupees SIP. Now you might be thinking how we are going to survive with such a low commission. My dear friends, please understand this 12 lakh rupees you have not invested in a single point of time. This contribution has come on a monthly basis. The magic of the mutual fund business starts from the next year. It means that if you see in the second, third year, there you will find the magic. In the second year, you see the commission has almost tripled. Here, if you see here, the commission in the second year is 14,197 rupees. Why? Because the investment of the first year and the contribution in the second year with the market growth of 12%, your commission now has become 14,197 rupees. In the third year, 24,000. In the fourth year, for 36,000. In the fifth year, 50,000. Now, as the value of the investment will grow, your commission will keep on growing. Now, please remember, these all commissions, you don't have to put any additional effort. These all commissions which you are getting, these all commissions which you are getting for the effort which you have done in the first year. If the client continues the SIP, you will keep on getting commission on those effort of your first initial month for the rest of the period till the money has been invested. So I hope you got clarity. I have taken a very conservative rate of 70 paisa. Now some of you may think that Shobhit, this rate is very low, and what is that guarantee of 12% growth every year? I think you are on a right logic. But please understand, this is the average rate which I have taken. In some month you are going to get a higher rate of growth in the assets. In some months you will be going to get lower rate of growth. Just look at last 1 year. In last 1 year, the growth in the most of the mutual fund scheme has been more than 50%. So on average, if you assume 12% growth rate, I think it is very reasonable. So I hope you find the magic which is happening. Here the concept of passive income, the trail income which a mutual fund distributor gets, it is altogether a different ball game than any other business you might have seen. And that's why I think that this business is a win-win proposition for you as a mutual fund distributor and for the client also. Because the client is going to get higher value and you are also going to get higher commission. And as I told you, if you want to dive deep into it, then do join my masterclass. In case you find value in this content, I would like you to share it, give your love by hitting that thumbs up button. Do comment below in case you have not got any clarity or you want to ask me any question regarding mutual fund business. I am on a mission to help 1 lakh insurance advisors to diversify their business into mutual funds. So please join the masterclass, and I would love your reactions, your inputs, your thoughts, and what were your biggest takeaways. Just type in the comment box, and if this content was helpful, do share with your family and friends. Thank you very much for joining. I am going to see you next time.